GAiLs Montessori and School. Dear students, GAiLs Montessori and School has developed this program of difficult words with their meanings for English language book for grade 9, 2025 syllabus from National Book Foundation for Federal Board. This will help you to prepare for your reading and comprehension question in board exam. We hope you would like it. Let's start. Unit 5. Difficult words and meaning. Behemoth, Azim Ashan cheese, a huge or powerful entity. Fortune, dolt, a large amount of money or wealth. Regularly, bakadagi se, consistently or frequently. Philosophy, falsafa, a set of beliefs or principles. Potential, salahiyat, capability or possibility. Convince, qail karna, persuade or assure. Regret, puchtawa, a feeling of sadness or disappointment. Deliberating, ghor wa fakr karna, thinking deeply or carefully. Velocity, raftar, speed or rapid motion. Irreversible, nagable wapsi, cannot be changed back. Aversion, nafrat, a strong dislike or opposition. Diminished, kam karna, reduced or decreased. Intuition, wajdan, instinctive knowledge or feeling. Distinctiveness, infiradit, the quality of being unique. Embrace, gale lagana, accept or support. Typical, am, usual or standard. Transitioned, muntakal hua, moved or changed from one state to another. Stakeholders, hasadar, people with an interest in a business. Iteration, takrar, repetition or repeated process. Tangential, ghair mutalaqa, slightly connected or off topic. Hunch, indaza, a gut feeling or intuition. Messy, ganda, disorganized or untidy. Guided, rehnumai karna, lead or directed. Rinse, dhuna, wash lightly with water. Reinvention, azar no ejad, the process of changing something completely. Unthoughtful, bekhayali, not thinking deeply or carefully. Reflection, ghor wa fakr, deep thinking or consideration. Conviction, yaqeen, strong belief or certainty. Essential, lazmi, very important or necessary. Counterbalance, tawazun barkarar rakhna, maintain balance or stability. Inefficiency, ghair muathar, lack of effectiveness or wastefulness. Reversible, alta ja sakne wala, can be changed back. Consequences, nataj, results or effects of an action. Invent, ijad karna, to create something new. Launch, agaz, start or begin something. Relaunch, dobara shuru karna, start again. Repetitive, dehraya gaya, something that repeats. Exploring, daryaf karna, searching or discovering. Random, betartib, without a clear pattern or purpose. Suboptimal, ghair tasli bakhash, less than the best possible. Deliberating, ghor karna, carefully considering options. Passion, josh wa kharosh, strong enthusiasm or love. Obstacle, rakawat, something that blocks progress. Efficiency, kakradagi, doing something well with no waste. Billionaire, arpati, a person with wealth of $1 billion. Motivation, tahrik, reason for doing something. Dedication, lagan, devotion to a task or purpose. Ritual, rasam, a repeated practice or tradition. Realistic, hakikat pasandana, practical and true to life. Potential, mumkina, having future possibility. Legendary, afsanwi, famous or well-known. Imaginative, takhaylati, creative and original thinking. Competitive, musabakati, striving to be better than others. Execution, amal daramd, carrying out a plan. Visionary, basirat wala, someone with strong foresight. Influence, ithar warusukh, the ability to affect others. Sustainability, paidari, long-term maintenance of something. Experimentation, tajarbakari, the process of trying new things. Scalability, vasat padiri, the ability to grow or expand. Perspective, naqta nazar, a particular way of seeing things. Ethical, akhlaqi, morally right and fair. Criticism, tanqeed, the act of judging something negatively. Diversification, tanawwa, expanding into different areas. Determination, azm, strong willpower to succeed. Resilience, lachuk, the ability to recover quickly. Blueprint, mansuba, a detailed plan. Iteration, i'ada, repeating a process. Optimization, islah, making something as effective as possible. Strategic, hukmat amali se mutaalliq, planned and calculated. Entrepreneurship, karobari salahiyat, the ability to start and run a business. Skepticism, shakuk, doubt or disbelief. Hierarchy, daraja bandi, a system of levels or ranking. Charismatic, krashmati, charming and inspiring. Accountability, jawabadahi, being responsible for one's actions. Productivity, pedavari salahiyat, the ability to produce efficiently. Adaptability, mutabaqat padiri, the ability to change according to the situation. Influential, Batha, having great power to change things. Radical, Banyat pressed, extreme or revolutionary. Opportunistic, Mocha pressed, taking advantage of situations. Sophisticated, Nafis, highly developed or advanced. Groundbreaking, Nai Raah Banane Wala, introducing new ideas. Pioneering, Rehnamai Karne Wala, leading the way in new developments. Disruptive, Khalal dalne wala, causing major change. Revolutionary, inqilabi, bringing major changes. Scenarios, halat, possible situations. Milestone, sing mail, a significant achievement. Overhaul, mukmal tajdeed, a complete change or improvement. Empowerment, khud mukhtari, giving power or authority. Mentorship, sarprasti, guidance from an experienced person. Financially, mali taur par, related to money matters. Unconventional, ghair riwayati, different from usual practices. Regulation, dabata, rules or laws. Expansion, tosia, growth or increase in size. Forecasting, patient goy, predicting future trends. Transformative, tabdeeli lane wala, bringing major change. Exponential, teezi se badhne wala, growing rapidly. Benchmark, mayar, a standard of comparison. Sustain, barakrar rakhna, maintain or continue. Venture, khatra mool lena, a risky business activity. Breakthrough, badi kamyabi, a major discovery. Consensus, itfaq rae, general agreement. Alignment, hum ahangi, proper arrangement or positioning.